So in case we want to install multiple variables, okay, then we use the loop option in Ansible. So again, on a manage node, check if the Docker and NetTools are already installed. Okay, so I'm just using those packages which we are not installed earlier. So now we'll install two packages, Docker and NetTools, using an Ansible playbook. And here, instead of adding one package, we'll add multiple packages. So loopvars.yml I'll create. Just like loop.yml. And so again, this block is common. Here defining two packages, one after the other. Okay, this is called as a list. Okay, in terms of YML, this is a list. Packages to install is the variable name. Okay, this block will do the apt get update cache update it will do, and here this packages to install will be replaced with first with NetTools in a loop. First loop will install NetTools and the next loop will install docker.io. Okay, quite simple. If you want to install one more, just press enter and install one more. So let's run this as well. -i host.ini loop.yml. So in Ansible, the initial setup is important, whatever prerequisite we did. After that, if your code is proper or the playbook is proper, it's very easy. After that, it becomes very fast. Okay, so initial setup is very important.
So, Craig, so like
Yeah.
Terraform, we can use the VS Code, and using that we can integrate to the providers like AWS or others. So similarly, we can use the VS Code for Ansible.
Yes, we can use for Ansible. For anything related to YML or coding, we can use VS Code.
Okay. And in that case, how
In
do we
that,
provide the provider or?
no, that is also a simple file. Okay, so
Mhm.
here VS Code has nothing to do with the provider. It has some plugins,
Mhm.
so it makes easy to write the code. Okay, so if we add Ansible plugin, okay, when I type install packages after packages, it will auto complete. It will try to do some auto complete and all, because it knows the syntax.
Okay.
And that's where the VS Code is helpful. For providers and all, it is just in Terraform.
Mhm.
VS Code don't install providers. It has the plugins
Yeah.
for syntax related things,
No. So there must
or
be some.
colorful and all. Yeah.
uh, but there must be some other block where we can mention the master control node and manage node, or the what I would say, how it will define that which one is the manage node and control node.
That we need to define, right? And
Okay.
in host.ini, we are defining our hosts
Correct.
on which we need to do the configuration. So that doesn't have, that means VS Code doesn't have to do anything
Mm-hmm.
for that.
Okay.
VS Code is only for what we can say it for efficiently writing the code.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And as we system admin, especially Linux ones, are used to command prompt,
Yes.
so we don't need that much of coding. But if you want, you can also use VS Code. There are various types of text editors. PyCharm is there,
Uh-huh.
then Eclipse is there.
Okay.
So let's check it. Nmap is installed and even Docker is installed on the manage node. Okay, so that completes this exercise as well.